Just finished currently working on the system, the mini system. This time, as you can see, it is not on a board, those boards to be exact. It's now actually mounted to the wall, and so is all the other appliances. So, let's go over what devices are connected to the system. First one, we have our Firelight BG8. There's nothing to really explain about this. This is where a lot of the pull stations I connected to the system are connected into. Basically the wires of this. I didn't seal anything yet, just because I don't have anything to seal it with. Not even a staple gun or anything, so everything's a little wiry, kind of cluttered, but you know, nothing much I can do at the moment. Here we have a simplex test station. The alarm light is connected to the strobe circuit, which still is on after you push the silence. So this light is on until full reset. Keyhole, obviously for testing. Nothing much. That's just connected to the pull station circuit. If I ever have a walk test circuit, I'll connect it to that, so I can reset it and turn it on from the key switch. We have a Spectra Alert Classic, no strobe. I don't have any strobes connected to the system yet. I gotta order some off eBay. And that's just connected to the alarm circuit. It is set to code 3. And these two black and yellow wires it goes all the way across to the very back room. And how did I get that much wire? No, it's not eBay. I actually found a big spool of wire on the street. Yeah, kind of weird. It was just lying there. I mean, it was in the bushes, and it went all the way kind of across the street, but it didn't go to anything, and no car was using it or whatever. And I kind of just found it, took it. So I still have a lot of wire on the spool left, but there's two long pieces of double wire going across to the back room. So that's how much I have, and I still got more. So anyway, enough talking. Go to the back to talk some more. I have my Edwards pull station here. I have a little screw that's holding the two wires from going off that little brace there. Just pull station. It's not dual action, doesn't have the little flap here. The wire that goes across here, there's actually two of them, go to two other things. It goes to my Firelight BG12, and it goes to a MT1224, set to obviously 24 volts. This is a 24 volt system. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So first we'll basically do a full system test. Set it off from the panel, set it off from the test station, and then set it off from the BG8 and the other pull stations. Alright, first we'll do a panel test. Alright. I do live in a complex full of neighbors, so, you know, don't want to keep this on for too long. Next, I'll use the test station. For the rest of the testing, I'm just going to keep the panel open, actually. So, alright, it's kind of funky. Could have just turned this off and reset it, but well, what's the fun in that? Alright, next up, the BG8. Alright, this pull station has a lot of trouble resetting. Like the key doesn't like to turn. Alright. Alright, next up, let's test the Edwards pull station. This one's, it's kind of tricky. I gotta pull this and then I gotta run back to the panel. Alright. The key for this pullstation, it didn't actually come with, well, the pullstation when I originally bought it. Actually, I got it for Christmas off eBay, but not the point. The key I had to pick up like miles away at some guy's like building, and he had the key and I had to go get it. Anyway, enough stories. Alright, last one. This is the MT1224 I've just shown you. Luckily for this one, I have a little mini key. It's just some kind of little hex nut thingy. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull this. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, wait a minute. I know what the problem was. It was in silence. Damn. Alright. I gotta go back. I gotta go. That's the problem. I don't have a relay to set up a regular button silence. It's just a switch. Alright, turn off the silence. Now, there. Let me see where my keys are. Okay, they're probably over. It's actually kind of a long distance, but I've seen other system tests for other people that go a lot longer distances than this. Okay, now just reset the system. Alright. Okay. So, this last minute, if I'm gonna do, I am gonna do another mini test someday. It's gonna be with an annunciator, a strobe, and a different alarm, probably, something like that. I have an annunciator hooked up at the panel over at the main system, but I'm gonna make a new one that looks cool too and doesn't look like I just threw it together. But anyway, that's for that system test. Anyway, more alarms to come. Thanks.